Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kariki kutanka kukuya pana ino channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa garoga subscriber. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mure Zimbabwe takigirai nyeno shamisa nyaya yaitika KuGlenview kwa Makomba Mure Zimbabwe PaMukuru Shopping Center. Another daylight robbery yaitika ipapo pane armed robbers aswika PaMukuru Money Transfer Agency KuGlenview PaMukuru Shopping Center. Chirunchitiko ichaitika around 10 a.m. Mure Zimbabwe hanzi pane armed robbers abuda nemari aisitataura kunze ngekawanda sei mari iyoyo pane nguva dzino dzatiri kupaina nhau dzino asi mara armed robbers aya vari kunzi asvika nemapistols and they were traveling in a black Toyota Mark X. Ndofunga mangona video ratakupai iro Mure Zimbabwe zvikunzi vasvika vakanopaka their vehicle in front of a mukuru booth relocated inside a pharmacy before vabuditsa weapons avo. According to my sources, hanzi robbers aya awanikwa achibata employees emukuru vachiluta cash, hanzi vabatwa at gunpoint, vamwe vacho vachiluta cash vaescapa dramatic. Ndofunga mangona muvideo mashots achifaiwa into thin air Masikati Machena mota ichitiza. Kutaura kwatiri kuita police haisati yareleasa an official statement regarding this incident, but zvikunzi a team of detectives from the CID homicide and other departments hanzi vadeploywa pasini iyoyo kuti vaonekwe vachiita investigations avo Mure Zimbabwe. Nyaya yashamisa vanhu vazhinji. Ndofunga mwedzi yapfuura zvakare takaona Ecobank ichirobwa Masikati Machena Mure Zimbabwe zvakare muna June this year 3 armed robbers akawanikwa achiba mari PaMukuru Money Transfer Agency kuGweru. Zvikunzi vakabva nemari yekwanoita 21,000 pamwe chete 4,000 rands Mure Zimbabwe. Nyaya yashamisa vanhu vazhinji. Zvinhu zvakadai zvavakuitika here muno muZimbabwe. Nyaya inotyisa Mure Zimbabwe. Maburitiro aitwa nyaya iyi nemaizimbabwe.co.zw vabuda vachitaura ivo. Maburitiro aitwa nyaya iyi nemaizimbabwe kutaura ivo vachiti Zimbabwe has witnessed another brazen armed robbery, this time targeting a Mukuru Money Transfer Agency at Makomba Shopping Center in Glenview. The incident, which occurred around 10 a.m. on Monday morning, saw a gang of armed robbers make off with an undisclosed sum of money. The robbers, armed with pistols and traveling in a black Toyota Mark X, parked their vehicle in front of Mukuru booth located inside a pharmacy before brandishing their weapons. According to sources, the robbers held the Mukuru employees hostage while they looted the cash. Their escape was dramatic, with shots fired into the thin air as they sped away, prompting a chase by members of the public. Police have yet to release an official statement regarding the incident, but a team of detectives from the CID homicide and other departments have been deployed to the scene to commence investigations. This latest incident is not an isolated event. A series of similar robberies targeting Mukuru agencies and other financial institutions have plunged the country in recent months. In June this year, 3 unidentified armed robbers stormed a Mukuru Money Transfer agent in Gweru, escaping with over 21,000 US and 14,000 rands. Midlands Provincial Spokesperson Inspector Emmanuel Maoko detailed the incident. At the time, Zimbabwe Republic Police investigating an armed robbery of cash amounting to 21,544 United States dollars and 14,400 South African rand from a Mukuru Money Transfer agent shop at Mkoba 6 Shopping Center in Gweru on June 19 at around 7:30 a.m. Inspector Maoko said when the incident occurred, he described how the robbers forced employees to surrender money and open the safe before fleeing. Last year in September, a similar incident occurred in Bulawayo, in Tumbane suburb, where 2 armed robbers targeted a Mukuru outlet at Konfizio Shopping Center. They allegedly stole a safe box containing 10,000 US dollars. A resident who wished to remain anonymous recounted the events. The robbers arrived when I was coming from buying my stuff in town. I saw them entering Mlungu General Dealers, and minutes later They came out running with a box and went away. Their car had no license plate, she said. A worker from Lungu dealers corroborated that account, stating the robbers fired shots and demanded money from the Mukuru safe before fleeing in a silver Honda Fit. The robbers were suspected to be the same crew that robbed Tottenham service station in Ntumbane a week prior. In a separate incident unrelated to the Mukuru robberies, Harare police are investigating a case of unlawful entry and theft that occurred on December 13th at a house along Ambion Drive, Newlands. An unknown suspect broke into the house, stealing a cash box containing 20,000 and a laptop. The suspect forced entry through the dining room door. Further afield, Marondera police are also investigating a case of unlawful entry and theft that occurred on December 12th at Rakodzi Estate. In this instance, suspects broke into a house while the complainant was away in Harare, stealing a firearm shotgun, another shotgun, and a BSA rifle. They gained entry by breaking the main entrance door. The frequency of these robberies highlights growing concerns about security in Zimbabwe. The police are likely to increase patrols and investigations in these incidents. Ndomabuditsiro akaitwa nyaya iyi muri Zimbabwe zvokunzi musina kumira mushe munyika pashata pasina kumira mushe. Ma-incidents yerobbery awandisa munyika muri Zimbabwe. Tingaziva kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi. Tiudze zvamuri kufunga mu-comment section. Yava kutyisa nyika yacho. Kana vanhu vava kurobha zvakadai Masikati Machena futi tichingorira Masikati Machena, aiwa hapasina kumira mushe. Tichingokurudzirana kuti pamunofamba muri Zimbabwe muchenjerere ma-armed robbers muri Zimbabwe. Nyika yacho yashata. Tikaziva kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi. Tiudze zvamuri kufunga pamusoro pekubiwa kwaitwa kuGlenview. Pari zvinoda kusiyai muchiona zvakare video the incident robbers achitiza pasina, achizama kutiza pasina nemari. Muhamadza zvamuri kufunga mu-comment section.